Hi, in this video I will show you how to receive money on the PayPal in 2021. So the process is pretty simple. So first of all, open your PayPal account, log into your PayPal account. Once you will log into your account, you will see a send and the request option on the main menu. You have to tap on it. You can follow the same procedure if you are on the mobile device, and you will see multiple options here. Simply you have to click on the request, and here you have to enter email or the phone number. So I enter one email, and now you will see a request from this email. Tap on it, and now you have to click on the next. Once you will click on the next, you have to enter the amount you want to receive in your account, and scroll down. Here you have to add note and click on the request now. Once you will click on the request now, the other person will see your request and send you a payment. So this is the way you can receive a payment on the PayPal. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.